Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. I trust the week's going well. Macro thoughts: average yields for dollar-denominated bonds issued by African governments, excluding South Africa, rose above 9% for the first time in almost 3 years. It's been a huge move. I sort of predicted this on the 5th of February this year when I spoke about the end of Halcyon days. I said Wikipedia has an article on Halcyon days, and it reads thus: from Latin Alcyone, daughter of Julius and the wife of Ceyx. When her husband died in a shipwreck, Alcyone threw herself into the sea, whereupon the gods transformed them both into Halcyon birds, kingfishers. When Alcyone made her nest on the beach, waves threatened to destroy it. Julius restrained his winds and kept them calm during 7 days in each year, so she could lay her eggs. These became known as the Halcyon days, when storms do not occur. Today the term is used to denote a past period that is being remembered for being happy and or successful. In that same article, I said, interestingly, JP Morgan's EMBI spread is down to 258 basis points, the tightest since mid-2014. And I asked how long this lasts is anybody's guess. And indeed it didn't. And I was saying then emerging and frontier market borrowers surely need to get their skates on and pull the trigger real quick on any borrowing they had been considering for this year. I like this comment from the Fed Vice Chair Clarida. As you move further away from zero and you move towards the range of the vicinity estimates for the ultimate destination, I just think it's intuitive that you need to become more data dependent. That took me back to Druckenmiller. As a macro investor, my job for 30 years was to anticipate changes in the economic trends that were not expected by others and therefore not yet reflected in securities prices. This caught my attention: stock board asset, more trade news that was just sold into. This is the market I think is over-optimistic, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed about this weekend get-together between Xi Jinping and Donald Trump. I don't think Xi's going to offer anything that Trump can take back with him, and I think we're going to see a major breakdown in those relations.